Nairobi County. To be precise, the governor and his executive have been faithfully attending both Senate and county assemblies, and in fact, this financial year alone, the governor has been to the Senate more than 11 times, and we are sure he will go there to respond to any issues that have been raised by the Senate. And number two, we understand that many people are not happy at the progress being made, and this is why we've seen and heard noise come after his nation State of the County address, where the governor eloquently outlined the progress over his last 19 months in office. And just to bring to our attention that a lot of challenges are inherited, just like the audits in question, but His Excellency the Governor is up to the task to take them on. And challenges and achievements walk hand in hand. And what we've seen is a sensationalizing of oversight, politicizing of oversight, and we wonder why the undue focus on Nairobi alone. We've seen the governor being responding to the Senate, just like I've mentioned earlier, more than 10 times he's been there. We've seen other governors, or rather we've not seen other governors being summoned to the Senate. We've not seen the governor for Kisumu, Anyang' Nyong'o, being summoned to the Senate. We've not seen Orengo being summoned to the Senate, among other governors. So our question is, why just the undue focus in Nairobi? Is it premature politics being played? And we've also seen other political leaders, together with some media stations, misrepresenting facts from the audit report. Just recently, we saw the K24, the news anchor, misrepresenting the amount in question about legal bills, where he mentioned that the county government of Nairobi has paid 10 billion in the year in question, whereas the audit report clearly stipulates that it is the pending bills in legal fees that are in question amounting to 10 billion and not the amount paid. I can confirm that the amount paid within the year in question for legal fees are around 287 million. So we wonder, where do they get these news from, and why can they just report facts and not just hearsay? Also, mind you, the 2022-2023